Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here today with Jared from Edge Products, and we're going to be talking about their jammer lineup of intakes, and we've got one laid out here so we can go over some of the details with you. With that being said, let's just jump right into it. So Jared, can you give us an idea of kind of what the jammer line of products is all about?
Yeah, so we have the jammer line of cold air intakes. We have it available for all the diesel applications and some gas applications as well. This one here is specifically for the 6.7 Power Stroke, you can see. But basically is what we're doing, it's a cold air intake box, so we're trying to remove all the hot air from the motor and put cool, more dense air into the motor, creates more power with more dense air. So, that's really what we're trying to do. This, like I say here, we have it fully molded, put it together, it's nice, clean, simple install, looks good, easy to put in a few minutes and you're good to go.
Cool. Yeah, this definitely comes across as one of those upgrades you could kind of just do in your driveway without a lot of advanced tools, which is really nice, a quick way to improve your truck. Now, over there on the side, we've got two different filter options, it looks like. What's the variation there?
Yeah, so we have the dry filter option as well as the oil filter. So it depends what consumers want to do. So I mean, if you're driving in the country and you're doing a lot of dry roads and you want to protect it with the oil filter, or you like the dry filter that you swap it out, you can blow it out, you can clean it up. This one's reusable. You can refilter it, put the re-oil kit on it, clean it out that way. So it just kind of really. Each customer is a little bit different. Some like more oil, some like dry. It kind of really depends on what your environment you're in. So we just have both those options available to the consumer.
Awesome. Well, yeah, it seems like it's a pretty straightforward system then. You get better flowing filter, better air box, that cooler air charge, and you obviously have your options between the two. So I think for a lot of people, this covers a lot of applications. Yeah, so it's really neat that you guys offer these different variations within the kit, and it does seem like it's a pretty quick and easy way to get a little bit more power, which, speaking of power, what are kind of the performance gains that you could look for with a system like these jammer kits?
Yeah, so we talked about how it's bringing in more the hot air, turning in cool, dense air, trying to get all that. Denser air creates more power, of course. So depending on the kit, the application, we can see anywhere from 15 to 25 horsepower gains with something like this. It is going to make the truck run a lot more smooth. It's going to keep consistent airflow in there. So it's a big gain on it, and it's, for what you're doing here, it just really cleans it up, and the airflow itself that's coming in is going to make a lot more dense air to create that power.
Awesome. And obviously, I think a lot of people, when they hear or see the Edge name, they kind of relate that to tuners specifically. Is this a product that ties in well with the tuning products you have? Is it sort of designed to link with those things? Or?
Yeah, that's exactly. And so with Edge products, we kind of look at ourselves as like that glue that holds everything together. We're a tuning company by heart, but we want to expand the capability. And so cold air intake works great with our product. And then we can actually build tunes that go along with it. So we combine the tuning in there, it can work with the cold air intake. And we actually have kits that we talk about, but they're stage kits, so you can actually buy a tuner with the intake, or a tuner, intake, and our exhaust system if you want it all from Edge. So basically everything's designed to work together with the stuff we offer.
Awesome. It seems like a pretty logical progression, definitely makes sense, like why you'd want to do these upgrades together and be able to link the tuning and all that. So you get sort of a complete system all in all. But I think that basically wraps up kind of the jammer lineup and what it's all about. So if you guys are interested, we'll put a couple links down in the description for a couple different models if you want to pick up one of these kits for your truck, and we'll see you guys next time.